Well, made it out in the shop. It's been quite a while. Um, Basically selling, going through a lot of this huge list of freaking. No, it's not a sex toy. Look like a sex toy from the. It's a little mini lava lamp. Um, Going through a big, huge list of shit that was under my cabinets, which are still more. Um, I had huge amounts of titanium valves from NASCAR applications that were small stem that I would use as blanks. I don't even know, not sure why I'm making this video. Probably gonna put it on my Max Air Carbs page on Facebook. It's been a long time since there's been anything on there. Trying to keep that alive, but I think it's a lost cause in the sense that I'm hoping I'm going to get back to the doing the work, but I'm not real sure. Set of rec ports, 990 castings that I hope to get together. Mild porting, valve job, guides done, stainless valves, da 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 da. One of my own engines I'm trying to get together. Set of 660s that are pretty over the top as far as modifications and overall specs. I don't know, just sat back in the used to be office. Now it's the plating room. There's a jig that I built a year ago to put on a mill that I have sitting outside. I have yet to get in the shop to surface heads. I'm hoping to get the goals back. I got a lot of stuff I'm trying to eliminate, get gone, because you're talking over 20 years of freaking parts and goals that were going to be acquired and haven't got there thus far. So that being said, I think I'm going to go ahead and call her quits on the video. I want to do more videos, only in the sense that I feel I've just kind of gone invisible, and that's not like me. So I guess it's just a kind of reminder of your surroundings, and I can look at something and go, "Yep, I'm gonna do this, this, and this with that," and then, yeah, I haven't got there yet, but I'm good at slowly getting there. And it doesn't help when your freaking weather is 15 below zero, and your shop is trying to keep up with the heat. Some point it kind of becomes redundant and it's kind of pointless. So yeah, so haven't been out here for a week, so kind of missing it and appreciating it and liking it. And there's a whole nother shop behind the saluting skeleton. That's a whole different world back over there. So yeah, there it is. Alrighty then.